Here I'm going to talk about why Barbri and Themis students still fail the bar exam and what they miss. If you took Barbri or Themis and you failed the bar exam, it's probably not because you didn't work hard. In fact, a lot of students in this position study a ton of hours and they work really hard to pass the bar exam. Instead, the problem is something else. And I'm going to go over some of the most common mistakes that I see commercial course takers make when they study for the bar exam. The first mistake that a lot of students make is they mistake watching video lectures with learning. So, watching lectures is important because it helps explain the substantive law. You have to understand the law if you're going to be able to apply it and if you're going to be able to memorize it. But a lot of students spend a lot of hours passively watching lectures. So, they just watch the lecture. Sometimes they're not even taking notes. And oftentimes they do this at their best time of the day because they want to get it over with. So, for example, if you're a morning person, you'll watch lectures in the morning just to get it over with. But really, you should be spending that time on other tasks like memorization and practice questions and watching lectures a little bit later in the day. Because watching lectures, even if you take notes, tends to be a bit more passive. Also, when you watch lectures, you should do things like watch it on a faster speed if possible. Make sure that you're taking notes and you're engaged. Even if you have all the law in front of you, you've got to be writing things down. Otherwise, you're going to zone out and you're not going to get much out of it. And you have to review those notes definitely within 24 hours of watching the lecture, or you'll retain almost nothing of what you learned. So, a lot of students think that watching lecture is really going to help them pass the bar, but really, that's just step one. That brings me to my next point. A lot of commercial course students do not prioritize memorization. This is not good. It is so important to memorize the law. People will say things like, oh, you just have to be familiar with it or you have to recognize it when you see it. That is completely wrong. You are not going to pass the bar exam if you do not have the law memorized. You have to know the law. And that means that you need dedicated study time in your day to memorize. Usually, this dedicated study time takes place at your best time of day. So, I'm a morning person. I would memorize the law in the morning. That means I wake up and I spend an hour and a half going through my outlines and making sure that I have them memorized. I'm not making flashcards. That tends to be kind of passive. I am not reading my outlines. That is a huge waste of time. I'm going through, I'm covering them up, and I'm quizzing myself on them. So that is a huge and important thing to do when you are studying for the bar exam. Some commercial course lectures do not put this in their study schedule, or they do not have it as a box that you check off. But the problem is if you just go to lecture, you're familiar with the law, and then you start answering questions, you will get them wrong. And it's because the bar exam doesn't test whether you're familiar with the law. The bar exam tests the nuances and the details of the law, and they will trick you if you do not know the law. So you have to spend time on memorizing. It has to be a priority every single day to be memorizing and reviewing your outlines. People don't like that word memorize. It's kind of like falling out of fashion. They just say, oh, review or learn. I'm telling you, you have to know those rules. Another big issue with commercial courses is students become obsessed with completion percentage. They talk about their completion percentage. Their goal is to complete the course. It makes them feel better if they complete the course. But the problem is, your goal ultimately is not to complete your commercial course. Your goal is to pass the bar exam. One would hope that those two things line up, but they actually don't always line up. Sometimes you not completing your course will actually help you meet your goal of passing the bar exam. And let me give you an example. Let's say that you are phenomenal at con law. You got an A plus. You wrote papers on con law. You understand it like the back of your hand. But let's say that you do not know evidence. You did not take it in law school, or you took it, but you really struggled. So if that's the case, you should skip your con law lectures. Do the practice questions, make sure that you're on track, but I wouldn't watch con law if you already know it. Evidence, you've got to watch maybe more than once, take good notes, take a lot of practice questions, dissect the material, make sure that you really understand it. So you might actually be doing less in con law and more in evidence, but that's more tailored to what you need, and that's ultimately going to get you more points on the bar exam. Another issue with students who take commercial courses is it's probably the first time that you've taken an asynchronous course. Most commercial courses do not have live options where you can show up to a room live, ask questions to the instructor. That's what you're used to in law school. You're used to showing up, being able to ask questions, and you're in a live room. For the bar exam, it's probably the first time that you've taken an asynchronous course where you watch lecture when you want to and you're on your own pacing. This is tricky for students, and some students do not adapt well to this. So, if that's the case for your next bar exam, look into a live course or consider what other options there are for you. Another reason that students sometimes fail the bar exam when they take Barbary or Themis or a commercial course is because they don't practice under timed conditions. Oftentimes, you're self studying. And so, when you answer questions, you're doing them open book or you're not timing yourself. And then you go to the bar exam, you run out of time on the MPT, or you struggle with an essay question and you wonder why. It's because you didn't do any timed closed book questions ahead of time. So it's really important that no matter what course you take, you make sure that you are completing courses closed book under time conditions. Lastly, a lot of students struggle and they realize it too late, or they struggle, but they really don't know what to do if they get stuck. Maybe they don't understand something. Maybe they're not improving their multiple choice score. Maybe they're struggling with the MPTs and they don't know what to do. And you don't have a whole lot of options if you're taking a commercial course. The commercial course is kind of cookie cutter. So it's really meant for just the average person to pass the bar exam. And so they have a schedule that adapts to the average person. And maybe you need something more tailored to you. So if that's the case, I recommend that you look into other more personalized options like one on one tutoring, courses that are live, or courses that have live components where you can engage and get the individualized help that you need. The students who pass don't just complete a course. They adjust, they practice under real conditions, and they focus on what's actually tested on the bar exam.